On my previous jobs, barrier-free shower installations have been a nightmare. We want the simplest system for guaranteed structural soundness and water drainage. Is it possible to install a barrier-free system on slab with a standard core drill? That would be my perfect system.
Our trench drain shower system is designed to sit on slab, but your finished floor will determine that fact. Your next decision is to core drill or set sleeves before you pour. Here we show a core to specs, provided as a measurement, center from back wall and side wall. Next, a depression must be accomplished to accept the drain sump. It should measure 10 inches wide by ½ inch deep. This can be accomplished by chipping out the slab. Rough plumbing will stub up from below and your framework will be constructed to the outside dimensions of the unit. To prepare the slab, make sure it is level. A 3/4 inch bead of silicone adhesive spread in a random pattern will allow the contractor to adjust the unit with shims for finding level. If the slab is out by more than 1/8 of an inch left to right, care must be taken to float the floor, bringing it level. We have ample draft from back to front to deal with slab imperfection in that direction. Set the unit on the slab and check for level right to left, as well as 2% draft from back to front. Once this unit is installed, the highest point for the threshold will be 3/4 of an inch above the slab. Finished floor must make up this difference. Next, secure the nailing flange to the subfloor with tapcon screws. Carefully remove the architectural grate into place. It secures magnetically, which is a standard feature. The finished floor can now be poured or set into place.